So the strategies that I manage, I'm a multi-asset income investor, which means that I invest across the full spectrum of income-oriented asset classes, and that could be anywhere from treasury bonds on one end all the way to dividend-paying stocks on the other and everything in the middle. I have different strategies. So I manage from a bottom-up perspective convertible bond funds, preferred stock funds, high income and floating rate debt funds. But I'm also an asset allocator as well, which spans across that full spectrum. So we're looking for a premium yield and opportunities to attract capital preservation and capital appreciation opportunities. We have the flexibility to invest across the full spectrum of income-oriented asset classes, from stocks to bonds and everything in between. And I'm really looking for areas that are mispriced from a bottom-up perspective with a top-down overlay. And if you look over the last 25 years at all of these asset classes, they all take turns as the best and worst performing asset class. And we're just looking for those areas that are mispriced. Rightly or wrongly, the following years they actually get adjusted. The difference between the best and worst performing asset class in any given year could be thousands of basis points. So with a top-down overlay, we're always cognizant of where we are in the business cycle, and we're trying to find those asset classes, the best securities in those asset classes that are mispriced. By doing so, we're able to collect a premium yield, a premium current yield, which if the bad news doesn't take place, you get capital appreciation, whether it's a stock or a bond. But if the bad news does take place, that acts as a natural volatility dampener because we're attracted to those areas that have the bad news priced in. And this is repeatable and duplicable year in, year out. And that's why, our process works in all different parts of the business cycle, whether it be early cycle, mid-cycle, late cycle, or recession. There's always opportunities out there from a bottom-up perspective and with a top-down overlay.